Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. As you see, the weekly candle it's finished here. As you see it here, that one here, and the weekly chart as we talking about it last week. As you remember, we've been here stuck for 3 weeks here in that level here. You remember it? So now, also we still stuck in here in that level, and look at it here in the weekly how clear it is that level we have been talking about. Look, if we came here at that zone here, as you see it, we started from here, from that level here, and also we still stuck here. We couldn't break it again, so it's still early. Yes, for long-term investment, also we enter long from down here, but for the people they haven't entered, also we still waiting another correction to happen to here, to that zone here, that one here. Then from here we're going to enter again. I think picture is too clear. And by the way, I saw some videos online. They said the dead cross or whatever they name it, it's just the cross of the moving average. Let me show it to you. If you came here, you remember when the 50 moving average, also we're talking here about the simple moving average, not the exponential moving average. You remember it here, the 50 it crossed below here. So till now, the 50 it hasn't back across above here. It's going to take some time. That's why investors, they still scared here at that level. And also we're still here in that very stronger level here, as you see it. Also we're still stuck here. We couldn't break it again. So there is nothing new, guys. You saw it here, that one here. A very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone. So till now there is nothing new here happening. And people they been with us, they remember us, we used to have here that wage. We started from here and here and here. And in the top we came here, and that wage is getting broke here. The market went up, it fell down, it touched it here again. Now he gave us another high. So in the weekly also we're still in an uptrend. Nothing was changed. Yes, it's going to happen a small correction, and that correction also we're going to go to the daily to wait it there, try to enter again from there. I think everything is too clear here. And now here in the weekly you can make even like that, and here you can do something like that, like a wage here, as you see it. Even that one you can do it in the weekly, but in the weekly it's going to be very, very big. And here, if you remember, people they been with us, we told you we got here a very clear head and shoulder here, as you see it, and it's breaking for us the neckline here in the weekly, as you see that head and shoulder, breaking for us the neckline by that candle here. So the take profit for that head and shoulder here, we came, we're doing a line like that, and we're going to make it like that. So the take profit for that one, till that level here, as you see it, at 42,500. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see the coming news for that week to see what is coming. So let's go in there. Here we are, that the coming news for all the week. As you see it, we started the week by Monday. We got ECB President Lagarde. She going to came to speech, but that one it will not affect too much the crypto industry. So in Tuesday, what we got here the building permit. As you see it, USA is going to come at 12:30. Even that one it will not affect too much the crypto industry. Another thing we got in Wednesday, as you see it here, we got the CPI of UK and the CPI of the Eurozone. So even those ones, they will not affect too much the Bitcoin. Another thing, in Thursday, what we got here, as you see it, we got initial jobless claim for USA, plus the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index, plus the exiting home sales. Even those ones, they will not affect too much the Bitcoin. And in Friday, we don't got nothing from USA. As you see it, we don't got nothing here. So all the week, we don't got something too special. The only that meeting of the G7 now, because there is a meeting of G7 now. So even though it will affect a little bit the market, plus the geopolitical, what's happening in Russia, the BRICS, the new deal between Brazil and China. Those ones, maybe they will affect a little bit the market, but the market, everything, it's locked stable now. And here our table, that one also we follow it every day. by the way, if you are new with us. That one here, as you see it, all US stocks, they close in the week red, but not that much because people they been with us, they know the US stocks, they close in green the day before the opening. And here, our friend is the VIX, as you see it here. It's 1707. Everything is looking healthy. And if you're watching yesterday video when we update you about the on-chain, everything is looking healthy here. Nothing was changed and scarcity is very low. So I think the market is going to take off soon. After that correction, we are talking here just about crypto. But for US stocks, I think the market is going to take off, guys. And here the US dollar is a little bit going up, but not that much. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into the daily to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the daily. So let's go in there. Here we are in the daily. Over here we still for long-term investment. Here people they been with us, they remember what us we saying here about that level here or that candle here. We came here to that green candle here and we said we got here an inside bar like that, and that inside bar us we still waiting it to get broke above here or to get broke down here. So till now there is no breaking either up or either down. Also we staying sideways here, so there is no entry yet. So we need to wait in, and that candle here, that one here, that indecision candle, is it in that stronger level? It's showing that maybe the market is going to reverse, but till now there is nothing new, so we need to wait in more till the right time came. And also we're updating you every day, so I think picture is too clear here in the daily. Yes, in yesterday video I show you we got here a very clear divergence. Here I show it to you. I told you we got here a very clear divergence here. Look at it, very clear divergence here. Maybe that one is going to push the Bitcoin to fall down a little bit. So also we're still waiting. When it's going to happen the correction, we're going to buy from it again. That's for the people that just came now and to know exactly where from to buy and everything. Go back to yesterday video and watch it. Explain everything in it. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours for swing trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. But as we said here, people they been with us, they watching our last videos. We said we got here a very clear flag here. As you see it, that the flag, very clear flag here. It hasn't getting broke up and it hasn't getting broke down here. So till now there is nothing new. Also we still waiting the break. And me I think also we are today we're going to break. So make a close eye at the new signal we're going to give you guys. And waiting our tomorrow video where we are going to break either here or either here. We're breaking above here. I'll show you where is exactly the target. If we're breaking down here, I'll show you exactly where is the target. If we're breaking down here, I'm going to show it to you again. If we're breaking down here, if a candle came and closed below that level here, take profit for that one is going to be here, down here at that level at 27,800 here. If we're breaking above here, that level here, you bring in that line here, that one, that vertical line or that stick of the flag. Then you put it like that, exactly where it's going to be up, that where it needs to be your take profit. And also people we enter from here, from that candle here, we said we got our take profit at 31,500 here. So till now we're still waiting, but me I told you when we are here, I told you try to protect yourself. So till now there is nothing new here in the 4 hours. And I show you even here we got a very clear wage like that. Even that one you need to be focused about it. If we're breaking down here, you can enter short. If we're breaking above here, you can enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see our indicator, what it's saying here in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Our indicator, I'll show you, we got here a very clear divergence. I can even show it to you now. Look at it here, here, and here. We got a very clear divergence here, as you see it. And here, should we enter short? No, there is no entry short. Also, we're still waiting the price action to tell us we need to enter. And another thing here, if you remember us, we got here that uptrend here. Maybe we're going to touch it here, then after that we're going to go more higher. So also we're still waiting, and the good news here, also we're still in a bull market. There is no bear market. Also we're still in an uptrend, and don't let no one to lie at you. Also we're still in an uptrend, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, same thing as you see it. Also we are here at the overbought area for some time now. Should we enter short? No, my friend, there is no entry short. Unless if it's breaking for us here, that flag, it means also we're going to enter from here till down here, till that level here. Or another scenario, is going to break here that wage I just show you here, that one here, a very clear wage. If it fall down and break it here, that one to take profit of it is going to be down here at that level here at 24k, guys. But if you are a very conservative person and you don't use in margin or leverage, you waiting to buy from down here at 24k. I've been telling you that at 24k or 22k. So you need to be focused about that two levels. If the Bitcoin reach there, try to buy a little bit. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. By the way, did you smash the like button? I know you don't. Pause the video now, smashing that like button, writing down a comment, support us. You know that channel without you it can growing up. So please go ahead and helping us. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. So here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. You remember what else we said here? We said we got here a cup and handle here, as you see it. And we said the neckline of that cup and handle is it down here. Till now we couldn't break it yet. And in the last video I show you we got here a symmetric triangle like that, as you see it. And here in the top, like that, very clear symmetric triangle here. Till now we couldn't break it above here. And we couldn't break it down here. So till now there is nothing new here. And by the way, the lower of that symmetric triangle is going to be the lower of that one here, as you see it. The lower of that flag, also we show you in the 4 hours, is going to be the lower of that symmetric triangle here. And also we make it if it's breaking above here, that level here, you try to buy again to go more till here. So everything is still looking the same here in 30 minutes. There is nothing new. You can even make now a small symmetric triangle like that, and you came here and you do it like that, another symmetric triangle or a wage or whatever you name it. The names doesn't matter. The most important to know how to trade them. It's our indicator what it's saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator, as you see it touch here the overbought area. So technically now also we need to looking for short. For us to enter short, I just show you here we got the lower of that symmetric triangle or that flag. If it's breaking down here, enter short, guys, because our indicator is it here at the overbought area. And also we are very close to break, and we are thinking today we're going to break that level here. So be focused about that and look at it here in 30 minutes. He tried to give you here like a very big head and shoulder here, but you need to be focused about those things what I'm telling you. So I think everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing that like button. If you want the channel to growing up more, just smash that like button. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.